Morning, I'm sitting here at Humberside, enjoying my morning coffee, watching all the people go by, watching the kids go to the amazing schools in this neighborhood. If you don't want to do anything, nothing, nada, and just move into a house and it is ready, this house is for you. It is spectacular. It is stunning. Everything's done. The kitchen is beautiful. Amazing hardwood floors. Gorgeous dining room. It has a whole kids floor, 3 bedrooms, their own bathroom, a den they can play in. And then you know what? Upstairs you have a prime retreat. You've got enough room for a home office, walk-in closet, spa-like bathroom, your own bedroom, a little balcony, some outdoor space, and you could just run away from the kids. Plus, we have a full finished basement with a separate entrance. Right now, it could be an apartment income, it could be an in-law suite, it could be a nanny suite, or you know what? Just take the place back and make it a kids' family room. We are in one of the best neighborhoods in the city. We got the Junction up there, we got Bloor West, we have High Park, we have the top schools in the area. Like, what more do you want in the real estate market? So you gotta come and have a tour of this amazing house.